In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter error 1009 quickly and safely. This error is usually caused by a network issue, a VPN, or stored browser data that's interfering with the site. The good news is that in most cases, you can resolve it in just a few simple steps without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, if you have any VPN turned on, disable it right away. X.com can sometimes block access when it detects a VPN or proxy connection, so turning it off is the first thing you should check. Once the VPN is disabled, refresh the page and try loading x.com again. If the error still appears, the next step is to switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, do the opposite and switch back to Wi-Fi. This simple network change can help if your current connection is being flagged or blocked by the site. Many times, the issue is not your account at all, but just the network route you're using. If that still doesn't fix it, the final step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure cookies and cache are selected, then clear the data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen x.com again. In many cases, this removes the stored data causing the error and lets the website load normally. So to recap, disable any VPN, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then clear your cookies and cache using Ctrl, Shift, Delete. Those 3 steps solve error 1009 for most users. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more fast tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.